Hello guys! Today I'm here with Among Us fan.
Hey, I'm finally here.
In the new SMP. And guess what guys? There's a village right there. Bro, where are you?
I'm going to the village.
Oh,
See, I'm right here.
bro, how did you teleport there, bro? Alright.
I literally just slammed the door. First off, I'm gonna get some food, guys. Yeah. Dude, I got some food. Let's
Bro.
go attack them.
Let's not attack the village yet. We need a place to live.
Yeah. Isaac, I know.
What?
Isaac, split up. Let's loot.
Okay, very nice. Shoot, I'm stuck in a hole. I mean a hole.
Bro, there's so much stuff in there.
I'll rob the other one. I know there's another blacksmith here, and I'm gonna rob the other one.
Yeah, you can go there. Sit down, please. Okay, dude, we got what else?
Ooh, very great. Gavin, guess what?
Wait, Isaac, I have an idea. Let's make the zombie. Let's make a zombie. You know the zombies. Let's put them near the villagers. Then we can make them like infect the villagers without us worrying about anything.
Wait a second. Gavin, don't mind. Okay. Gavin. Oh shoot.
Go. Hi.
Bro, I have an idea.
I got a sword. 5 iron.
Alright, good. Me too. I got 5 iron and I got 5 obsidian.
Nice.
Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. Oh shoot.
I'm coming.
Bro, I'm gonna...
My Wi-Fi.
Gavin, hurry up. Kill the iron golem.
Wait, my Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi, bro.
Yeah, no. Wait, I'm killing this iron golem. Bro, if you come back... Bro, if you come back, let me know.
Wife?
Back?
Ba't sila, lolo, ano? Aba, yung tito mo. Tito ko po. Coming!
Are you here, bro?
I'm joining you. Doon tayo, doon na lang tayo. Kailangan lang natin mag-stop.
Bro.
Sa summer, ako papasok. Tawag nyo ng baba. Kaya tayo magbaon ng ano luto. May mga mura naman
Follow
mga
Steve.
bro, sorry, night.
Bro.
Yes, I have.
At your house.
Nanto ka daw ba? Sabi na.
Bro.
What? Yeah, I'm going. Ika lang. Oh yeah, they're dying. Oo nga. Kasi sila diba?
Right.
Ako din I just saw a person dying here. Every day yung biyahe. I saw a person die there. Wala na yung stop over dito pa.
Bro.
Walang stop. Oh, God.
Bad. Get up. Wait, give me the bone.
Doon, kung pwede. Pero wala pa dito. The bow broke. The bow's broken, bro.
Shoot, terrorist. I mean, creeper.
Oh, no.
The explosion.
Dude.
Why is the
we need
explosion
to
like
go.
that, bro? I think it's from the resource pack.
We need wood. We need to
Bro, we're
actually
breaking the house, bro. Don't break the house like that. Bring back the wood, bro.
What?
I know another one, bro. Bring back the wood. Here you-
It's okay, bro.
Follow me. We'll find another one. Follow me. I know one. Can you craft?
My internet's bad again. My God. My internet's bad again, bro.
Why is the spider not attacking?
Spiders are attacking because they're friendly. They're passive. They're passive. Spiders are passive.
How? Bro.
They're passive. They're passive. So they only. Oh, the spiders. Wala talaga pa.
Don't kill the cow. Hurry up, bro. Craft. The crafting table.
Isaac, I'm kind of low.
Hand me the wood, bro. Hand me the wood.
I'm kind of low.
Bro, hand
I
me
don't
the
have that
wood.
much wood. I don't think need wood. Here, there's the wood.
Huh?
Give me the wood. There's the wood. Oo, dapat dito
Guys.
tayo. Okay na ito.
Gonna craft. Gavin. I made us like Gavin. Guys, no more.
Yeah, why?
I made us like 2 of, bro.
Uh,
Alright guys, so we now made
Hello.
we now made things here.
Okay lang ako na yan. Okay lang yan, Daddy. Mas natakot ako pag ano yung
Gavin!
masyadong mag-please. Joining.
Bro, I made us like iron pickaxe.
Okay.
We can now mine. We can now be miners. Wait, Dr. Disrespect, if you're watching, I mean the miners that are mining in the cave, yeah. Dr. Disrespect, this is for you, okay? The miners that are mining in the cave, okay? Not that thing you... Okay, wait, guys, don't demonetize me on YouTube, bro. Dr. Disrespect, bro, no. We're not like that kind of miners. We're like the mining miners. Right, Gavin? Right, Gavin? Bro, you're lagging. Bro, you're lagging, bro. Oh my gosh, bro.
Yeah. Oh, bro, can you hear me? Bro, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you, bro. Bro, I already have like the things, bro.
Okay.
Cobblestone. Oh. Stone. Okay, this is not stone. Gavin, you hear me, bro? Okay. Guys, don't worry about Gavin. He's just like internet lag.
I hear you.
Okay, good. We're doing good. Bro, Gavin, I'm gonna mine in the cave, so alright.
Why?
I'm gonna mine in the caves. You wanna come? Wanna come, bro? Mining in the caves?
Bro.
I'll go mine. Bro, are you in? You in the game, bro? Give me that. Give me that. Diorite. Bro, I have diorite. This granite. Bro. Seriously, bro. Let me see what I can find in the cave right now. Gavin, I don't want like to go like so deep right now, so I'll just go like something here, bro. Gonna make a stair. Gonna make a
I'm
stair.
back.
Yeah, I know you're
I hope
back.
my Wi-Fi it's not better than we can say, bro.
Huh? What?
Wi-Fi is so bad. The Wi-Fi is so bad, bro. Even though there's so much signal towers near me. Bro, who tried trapping me, bro?
Bro, I didn't trap you, bro. I like, bro. I was like covering you because, bro, I'm adding like a extra shelter, man. Bro, hurry up.
I'm gonna need all the wood.
Well, you're gonna be the lumberjack. I'm gonna be the gemstone lumberjack. I'm not just gonna say the word because Dr. Disrespect might be watching.
There?
Huh?
Hey, wait, I'm gonna pull it. Oh.
Bro, I made a staircase, bro. Bro, I managed to get coal. But I got this gold from the lumberjack. Wait, speaking of gold, bro. What can I do, bro? Bro, there's like things here, bro.
Bro, you know what? We need green dye.
Why? Gonna make a banner?
Plastic mask.
I'm gonna collect firefly bushes. Block of coal, huh?
For to build these, bro. And then I'm
Block
gonna
of
get
coal.
my...
I have 1 coal, bro.
I'll be the lumberjack. I'll be the lumberjack.
Yo, bro, it's night time already, bro. Sleep. I'm gonna ring the bell. Wait.
I'm low. I need sleep. I'm low. Oh no. Quick.
Alright, there we go.
Bro, I need to eat. Bro, wait. I don't need this. Ano yung ano, Papa?
I have
Yung
beef.
thermometer. Ano nga ako?
Wait, I'm gonna cook, bro.
Okay.
I'm gonna cook. I have coal, and I just need to find a furnace. Bro, but I have a question, bro. Is there a furnace in this village? Oh wait, there we go. The lumberjack.
I don't know if there's a furnace in this village.
Bro, there is in the
Okay, nice.
in the thing.
Nice.
Wait for that to
Ako
cook.
lang ba yung pinili niya pa? Tagal na yun. Pero bago lang yung ulo, di ba?
Gonna get more, bro. Gonna get more.
Sakit yung more, bakit? Sa iba yun, nasa ano na yun, nasa hospital na. Oo, kaya...
Bro, I'm gonna cook more, bro.
Okay. Bro, dapat nga mataas some... I'm gonna make some bread.
Bro, this is like my first time playing like real survival Minecraft, bro. Because the last time I played the real survival Minecraft without cheating is like 4 years ago.
True. I'm getting some bread. There we go. I got a lot of bread, dude. Got 53 bread.
Ako lagi nasa office kasi nararamdaman din ako gano'n. Di ba dati, nung nagpagtapos na yan sa pagtuho ko, nangangapag ako.
You got bread, bro? I'm cooking meat for the non-vegans. The not vegans. Non-vegans.
70 plus full time na yun, pero
We got this. Alright, great.
pagkain mo,
This. I'm gonna get this flowers, bro, for a dye. Ooh, piggy! A baby pig. Guys, do not kill baby pigs in real life. Only adult pigs. Only if you have a license, if you can kill pigs. You can kill adult pigs. There we go. Great, great, great. More steak, more pork chop, bro.
Ano pa lang iisa sa ano. Uy.
Yo, hello, guy. Oh,
Okay, so I got long wool.
Gavin, we need like 17 emeralds. Like for real. Bro, I got the cooked stuff,
You
bro.
got 17 emeralds.
I don't. We need to.
Bro, you're really cooked there. You're really...
I'm not hungry yet. Wait, I am actually.
Wait, can you like cheat?
There we go. You're okay. Bro, did you change your clothes, bro? Hello, villager. Haha. You remember do you watch the Minecraft movie, bro?
In YouTube.
Bro, did you say like the villager dated
Yeah, they made the villager access to the villager noise.
do you know the villager dated a real person in the real world when he came to that portal? Bro, did you change your skin? Bro, Spider-Man?
Bro, I'm looking for trees. The trees are not safe for me. Right? So the trees are literally not safe for me, bro.
Okay.
Not gonna lie. I've never seen a tree escape.
Okay, we need these trees, bro.
Bro, global warming. Bro, I literally destroyed all the trees. Bro, there's gonna be global warming in Minecraft, me, bro.
Wait, you need, bro. I think you need to.
Bro, I'll already. Oh wait, no, I don't have.
Wait,
I'll mine. I'll go mine. I'm gonna mine team guy. Yeah. Is this where you mine?
Or there's no
I
flashlight.
mean, I need a light. One light. Two lights. Rise
Right.
up. I got the light.
Huh? Where?
Got some lights for you. No, I'm gonna go mining.
I'm following you,
14
bro. I'm
hour
gonna
mine.
mine with you.
Okay. Oh, there's a
That's
cavern here. Don't go there.
why. Why?
It's a cavern. There's a creeper. Oh my god.
I'm gonna get that diorite.
That only
Bro, do you know I have a creeper toy right now? In McDonald's.
Hey, what do you mean? What is that?
Bro, I don't know. So I'm gonna
Bro,
get that. Get that. Get that.
lagging.
Bro.
Bro, it
Excuse me,
doesn't
man.
let me go past there. Doesn't let me go past there, bro. Oh, there's a camera.
Please the lights.
I almost fell in there.
Alright, good thing you didn't. Bro, I'm mining this. Wait. Should I dig down or should I dig straight?
Dig straight.
Yan na.
Dig straight.
Yung pinag-usabi ko ngayon.
I'll go on this side.
Dito na. Mataan.
Go upstairs. You don't have any lights left. You need to go upstairs and get light.
Sama ko naman.
Go.
Go.
Okay. Go. Okay.
I have a lot of
dig.
coal, bro. Bro, this is great, bro. I think we can make guns now.
We can't make guns. We still need plastic. We still need full lock. We still need, bro. It's so hard to make guns here, bro.
Yeah, I know, but with like coal,
For
bro.
the brick pistol, you need a gunmetal ingot, and you also need a plastic mask, which is a bucket of petroleum. Isaac, then
Yeah, I
you want
know.
we need a bucket. We need a block of coal. This is gonna get hard, bro. I think I'm gonna go up and get some lights.
Eh,
Bro, it's already nighttime.
I
It's
don't
already
care.
nighttime. I'll get some beds. Let's make our house down there.
Bro, there's copper here. What's a
Camper?
copper?
I'm trying to go as fast as I can. Because, bro, there's spiders. My god, I forgot the lights. Forgot the lights. Here. Bro, this is my bed.
Okay, bro, I'll keep mining.
Okay.
I don't need
I'll
to.
give you a bed.
Nah, bro. I'll keep mining.
Bro, how do you not see the stone above you?
Huh?
There's stone above you. Bro, there's stone above you. Wait, I'm also gonna get some copper because you're gonna need some of it. You need some of it. Some more. Is that? Oh, this is dirt. I thought that was iron.
Gavin, there's like here. I don't know if I can dig straight down to here. Don't know.
Oh, there's coal. There's coal. Oh, it's coal. It's coal.
You
Wait, I know what to do in here. Wait. There we go. It's good. I got some coal. I supposed to go to bed.
What?
Go to bed here. Bed.
There's only one bed, bro. Like,
Oh, here, that's your bed. Your bed.
yeah.
I put your bed there. Let's go.
Okay, there's nearby monsters. Bro, my.
Can't sleep this nearby monsters. Bro, why is there no
Bro, you know what,
functional
bro?
ones?
Bro, can you give me your... Okay, that I don't even care, bro.
Yeah, okay, go closer to here. Here. Oh my god, dude, there's so much coal here. Oh yeah.
Gavin?
Yeah? Why?
Enemy mobs. Kill them!
Oh my.
Kill them! Tree! Oh my gosh! Kill me!
Oh. Get rid of it. Let's go check. Oh my god. Something's shooting. Oh no, that's you. Stop shooting me.
Bro, you know what? Bro, that mining experience was pretty bad, bro. They're like enemies.
Bad. I think it's
Like
time
we
to
almost, like we almost died of
think it's
that
time to go to
suicide bomber. Like that was a suicide bomber, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, guys.
Bro,
That's why lessons learned. If you're mining in Minecraft, there might be like things to watch out, like those creepers, zombies. Aren't you Spider-Man, bro? You're like a spider. You're like their friends, bro. Go talk to them. Bro, why do you look like Spider-Man, bro?
I think we can go now.
Wait, Gavin. I have a question. I think that's the enemy base. Shoot, I need to get light. Hurry up.
So far. Oh, bro. Spider, the spider, cave spider.
Cave spider.
Dude, I'm low.
Hurry up.
I'm low.
Retreat.
I'm low. Nice. This seems like a good place. Lock it off. Let's go here. Ouch. Oh my god, I cannot see. There it is. Oh no, dude. What? Dude, it's so dark.
Bro, go back.
Go back. Okay.
Hurry up, let's go back. Bro, guys, that mining experience was fire, cool, but dangerous.
Bro, I can't see.
Shoot,
Bro,
shoot.
I can't shoot.
Two creepers under the road. La la la.
Shoot zombie. Get out of here.
Shoot.
Get out.
Oh no! Y'all guys cannot catch me, whatever you do.
I got there. I got it. Made it. Bro, he killed the villager. house. Creeper. Oh, hold on. There we go.
Wait, I can trail. Make the creeper. Hello, creeper, follow me.
Oh my god. There's a creeper.
Hello, creeper. Come here.
I'm going in the cave. Oh my. Bro, help. Help, I fell.
Wait, kill the creeper.
Bro, I threw my dirt. Bro.
How do you make
There's a
like the
giant
light?
hole. There's a giant hole here, bro. There's a giant hole there. I almost died. Bro, come here, love. Bro. What happened here, bro? That's spider! Why when you get hurt, the game gets hungry? Everything's so
Hurry up, let's go.
Let's go. Oh, I made this hole.
And, bro, shall we keep mining, bro?
Sabi ba yun? Nasasa. Wala naman, wala pa naman.
Guys,
Saan ba yung Lazada?
I got a stack, bro.
Ako makapasok sa shop. Oh, wala.
I'm rejoining. My Wi-Fi is pretty bad.
I'm not gonna stop till I find iron, bro. Gavin, come here at the end of the cave. Here, at the end of our cave, bro. Come here. I want you to come here, bro. I want you to come
I'm
here.
trying to join you, bro, but it's not working.
Why?
There we go, I'm joining.
Follow me. So we have a formation. Come here. We have a formation, Gavin. Minor formation. So our formation is you mine there and I mine there. But the question is we need torches.
Okay, let's go. 3, 1, go.
Wait, you mine there and I'll zombie farm. Okay, do not mine. Let's not mine.
It's so tough.
Yet.
It's
Wait, I have an idea. Let's do a zombie farm. A XP farm.
oh yeah.
Look. Oi.
Oh no, they're hurting me.
Bro.
Bro, bro.
I'm gonna TP to you, bro.
Yeah, they beat me. Bro.
Okay.
Bro. Bro. I think it killed you. I think me and the zombie literally killed you. Bro, I think some of your loot
Yeah, bro.
got into the zombie area. I think some of your loot got into that Were you coming?
Bro, come. Bro, can you give me?
Bro,
Nakita ko ng ano pa?
your loot is crazy.
Ano yung ano nyo? Ano yung...
Bro, can you have mine?
Ano yung solar
I
light?
already put it there. It's in this hole here.
Bro, I'm OP.
1,000 watts?
Okay.
Ayun, hindi siya yung malaki.
One person at a time. One person at a time for the XP farm. I'll take another place. It can go through.
Kapag may
Wait, no, like this. So it's
1,000. Nasa 1,000.
Bro, there's a archer.
Pero ilan yun? 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Maraming ilaw.
the archer. Close up. Oh, there he is.
So,
Yes.
sa gilid,
Kill
no?
him.
Sa gilid.
Bro, we need light. I'll get light.
Parang hindi na tayo mag-ano. Ibig
Bro,
sabihin,
isa.
parang hindi na gumagana doon sa kusino.
Isaac,
Yeah.
I'll get light. I got some light.
Ha?
So, bro. So, what is this thing?
Wait. Excuse me, Gavin. Excuse me, bro.
So there. You have light. I got light. I can't see.
Oh my gosh. Hurry up, hurry up. You go there. That's your XP farm here. Wait, I'll go here. Never mind. Bro.
Bro, that guy. First
Wala
aid.
pa.
Oh,
Okay.
see.
Sorry naman. 10,000 pala.
Say what?
10,000. 10,000
No. Move first. Stay there.
No, 10,000.
There we go. That's
Okay, there we go.
Oh, wala. 1,000 bro.
Oh, there's so much. Oh no.
1,000 watts. 150 watts.
I think the
Wala,
spider can
1,000 lang.
Wait, I have an idea. Gavin, come back here.
Can't see anything.
1,000
Come
watts.
back
I
here.
see
I want take one.
Okay, don't come back here, bro. Come back here. I have an idea. Anyway, bro, I don't care even.
21.
Gavin, we reach the end.
Papaano ka? Papa-deliver ko?
Bro. Flood.
Okay, this is a good area to mine. We should mine here. There's a lot of mobs though.
Oh, sabi na
Don't mind there,
Oh,
bro.
no, you have the light.
I have the light.
You have the light. Bro, we can't see anything.
Bro, this is
Wait.
dead end.
So then, okay. Bro, it's basically impossible to see, bro. Bro, it's easy.
Bro. Now nothing's here, bro. This is our base, bro.
Okay. There's a brown out. I saw there's a brown out.
Bro, brown out.
Pero kasi kailangan
What happens to the other light, bro? What happened to the other lights? Gavin, I think we finished them. So you know what I'm thinking, bro? Gavin,
What?
you know what I'm thinking?
What?
If we finished there and invaded that part,
Can you give me an arrow?
if we like conquered that part of the cave, then we can Genghis Khan this part of the cave. Bro, don't mind.
Oh, bro. I can't. Put the light somewhere.
Bro, don't mind.
Okay.
Wait. I have an idea. Wait.
That's also gonna break it. It's same as that top one.
There we go. We can make like a pool here.
Yeah, let's also add that.
No. How about not that? Only the under one. Because the rounds might come, but fish might come. And we can build like a fish farm. And we can have like this epic
Yeah. Maybe.
food source. Now let's Genghis Khan that port.
Bro.
Hurry up, bro. Where are your army? And let's Genghis Khan that port, bro.
Come. Let's calm this part.
No, not that port, bro. Not that port. Follow me. Follow me, bro. Follow
I'm
me.
coming.
In that port, bro. You don't remember, bro?
This part, we have no light, by the way. That's one thing.
Oh,
We have no light.
yo, sleep.
No, it's okay. I have light. Wait, where is it? Oh, I need sticks.
Or we can just steal some.
There, dude, I can craft no light.
Hurry up.
Finally, we have light.
Gano kaya yung ating gagi? Akin na may...
Yup, hurry up. Go, bro.
Mamaya ko...
Bro, I actually want to warn you, bro. No, how about not that part? Gavin, I have an idea. Before we conquered this part,
Oh, there's a
we need
There's a creeper.
to be more
Don't go there.
strong first. Huh?
Creeper. There you go, I have more torches.
Bro, I'm gonna go.
Oh.
But anyways, guys, that's part 1 of our thing. That's part 1. That's part 1 of our SMP. So if you guys like that, please like and subscribe. And see you next time, bro. See you next time, guys. Bro, say goodbye.
Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Oh, hell no. Sige, next.
Bye.